Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. This is 52 and 22 and the theme was cards, and this week was spring and Easter. So I made two of them. It's my first one, and I had this piece of spring in a little 6x6 paper pad. I thought it was so cute that it said spring and it has little Easter eggs and some flowers. So I cut out these flowers and they do spin. I think the blue one should spin too, or maybe not. Yeah, okay, just the pink one is, I did it that way. So, and then I got this little green brad as the center, and I got this striped paper up there, and that's how it looks. And I left it plain inside so a person can write, you know, or me or whoever. And I got something on them. All my cards got something on them. Can you tell I'm doing the videos back to back? I don't know. Something got sprayed on my cards. But I ain't redoing them, guys. So I'll probably just cut that off and then put this on another card. So, because it's too cute. Got that one. And then I made a Happy Easter one. And I have this plaid paper. This is real pastel colors. Got a little polka dotted paper. Blue up here, polka dotted purple down here. I got this little sticker. It says Happy Easter. Got the Easter egg, a flower, and a little button. Look at that little button. And this one got wet too. So, yeah, what you discover when you put things inside your table. But those are my spring and Easter card, and this will be the last week of 52 and 22. I'll see if I continue it myself. I'm not positive, but who knows? I may just do projects and upload them myself instead of, you know, having a monthly 52 and 22 theme. But you never know. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.